Messy, happily, and family. Fun gardening. I think we got. Welcome to your new home. Best friend is across the street taking pictures, y'all, of my garden. Isn't that the coolest? Hello, everyone. This is my best friend Ashley. She's in town and she's going to plant up a fall container. So, Ashley, when is the last time you put your hands in dirt? I want to say about a month ago, because I had started to work on a little plant project, seeing how I can grow a plant and maintain it. So about a month ago. Do you know the name of it? It's a sunflower. Oh, yeah. She got it. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Wow. My best friend has planted, been inspired. Okay, so y'all, this is about to be a fall container. Enjoy the show. So the first thing you have to do is find a centerpiece. So the centerpiece you always make for a bit, something to go in the middle, to stand up tall. That purple thing there is going to be the centerpiece. Baby, I think you should probably film, but you have to take it out the container.
Now that was funny.
Great job, Ashley.
To use. So what I do if I need to move space out, I just move the soil. Okay. That center and get some in it. And then when you replant, you sometimes break up the roots and stuff because you want to encourage the growth. Yeah, see? And you see how now that fits in there much better. And it gets it ready for new soil. All that stuff is good for a plant. Here is just filling in. It looks like we got two spots. Alright. That could be filled with some plants. Yep. Which is gonna be these two plants right.
We speak blessings. We speak long life to all the cancer survivors. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.